And there's Squeak, aka Big Ears. Hey? Squeak. You're so vocal, aren't you? This one does let me slightly. You slightly trust me, don't you, Squeak? Not fully at all, but a lot more than you did. Hey? This is the one that everyone keeps commenting is, oh my god, it's him or her. You've got a Bengal, you've got a Bengal, you've got a Bengal. No, we haven't, just a little stray. But I have always said, I think this one looks like a Bengal. And now I've got people messaging me saying, I've got better Bengals, and that is definitely a Bengal. And I'm like, it can't be because it's a stray. It might have some sort in there, but... Hey, you see, Squeak. Hey, Meepy. Hey, Meep. Hey, here you go, Squeak. Hey, Squeak. Hey, Squeaks. Hey, you my little Squeak. Squeak, squeak. Hello. What's this, look? Hey. Are you just gone? Yeah, there's not a lot of second chances with you, is there? That's the problem with you. Hey, pile of kittens. Oh, what a good mummy you are, Shy. What a good daddy you are, Stop. 3 little kit. Where's the other one? I don't know. No idea. Anyway. Meep's fed. Have a great day. Bye. Always be kind.